Hey guys, it's Burgers here, and in this video I'll talk about where to farm gear for the DPS hero in the higher stages. First, for the gear, I think there are two main great instances, and this is Grave of Wrath and the other one is Grateful Venom. This is your instance, in my opinion, for the DPS. Here you can get extra attack, here you can get extra accuracy or skill haste, but in general is these two instances. So from here we have to decide in which instance we want to focus for the DPS and what is our chance actually we go further in the stages. So from these two, first let's have a look over this two instance. Grateful Venom is going to be a single target hitting, not much debuffs, but it's going to be very important the tank you have. And since in your progression in the game you're going to get Horus, I think it's going to be way more easy to actually place yourself in the Grateful Venom. For the Grateful Wrath, you need two things. You need, first of all, healing prohibition. Okay, if you have secret, perfect. And you need somebody to cleanse your heroes, since the spells of in Grateful Wrath is a lot of debuffs and healing. So in my opinion, your biggest chance to actually farm a great gear is going to be Grave of Venom. Inside you're going to find different sets that attack, critical rate, attack alignment, and so on. I think this is the best place, and again is best place just because it's hardly depending on the tank you actually have. If you have good tank, you can progress very far away. But if your tank sucks, I don't know. I think Grateful Wrath is way more hard and it needs a lot of heroes. It needs somebody to cleanse your heroes. It needs somebody to actually tank the boss, since the boss is also doing damage. You need somebody to heal, and this fight is very long. In my opinion, Grateful Wrath is very long fight, and here the boss just have way too much debuffs: healing prohibition, poison damage, reducing recharging speed, so your heroes is going to fire up their spells way more slow and stuff like this. Also healing 600 damage from the damage dealt is going to be as healing, restoring HP equals. So yeah, I think in my opinion for the gear, for the DPS gear, Grave of Venom is the choice. And again, you're going to receive a good tank at the beginning, and you're going to receive also a good healer. Since Xandria, I think she's apart from your tutorial when you enter in the game, so definitely want to have her on your side, and she is doing pretty decent amount of healing, and she can alone heal the Harpy, in my opinion. So yeah, I guess this will be for this short video. I don't want to go over and over the things, or maybe I have different videos for the strategy and stuff like this, but definitely to farm a gear for the DPS hero in the higher stage, Grave of Venom is your dungeon. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next amazing video.